kular hakani Khasi. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hop do.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kindon ru ki mock test ban penkrai api na kabenda ka NEET.
Uba heng ubade umentri barem ka Sorkar jela ubalong ru unang alam ka BJP hakas pautrik ujeliu ahaja pun riau ulakan tu yak Sorkar Pdeng ban menjerno nakabenta ka jing Pynrung ya ka ketin Khasi bat Garo haka Khyrnit ka Baphra jong ka riti sensyar kari India hadin maka Sorkar Meghalaya kala menjur bat pelong ya ka ketin Khasi bat Garo kum ka ketin Sorkar nalor ka ketin English hajing kran bigilat pathai khubor uba hek uloong panakaliang jong ka parti kanya konting banyai Kyrpad yak Sorkar Pdeng ban Pynrung ya kani ka jing angnut jong ki pajba ka jela.
Inclusions of the Khasi and Garo language. So recently we have seen the government of Meghalaya, MDA government, MDA2, have already sent that ordinance and approved by the Honorable Governor. So this one we have been done in the past also for the ordinance. Now also, before also and now also, in Meghalaya, state of Meghalaya, the Khasi and Garo is the associate official language. Now also, it is already through the ordinance only. So now the important here is we have to we have to request and appeal to the government of India to include into the 8th schedule for the recognitions of the Khasi and the Garo language.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.